Hi there! In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to create and send an invoice using a PayPal business account. It's a super helpful tool if you're running a freelance business, selling services online, or working with clients regularly. Let's dive in. First, log into your PayPal business account at paypal.com. At the top of your dashboard, hover over Pay and Get Paid, then click on Invoicing. Select Create and Manage New Invoice. This will take you to your invoicing dashboard where you can manage all your invoices, past, present, and drafts. To create a new invoice, click the Create New and select Invoice. You will be taken to a clean invoice template. Under the Bill To section, you can either create a new customer by entering their name and email or choose from a list of previous or recent clients. These make things super convenient if you work with repeat customers. Next, under the Item section, describe what you're charging for. Select between goods or services. Maybe it's a logo design or social media management. Enter the quantity or number of hours and the rate, and PayPal will automatically calculate the total for you. If you're working with clients internationally, you can also choose your preferred currency for that invoice. Just look for the currency drop-down near the total. You can leave a note or thank you message in the memo section, and if you'd like, upload your business logo to make the invoice look more polished and on-brand. Once everything looks good, click Preview to see what your client will receive. If you're happy with it, hit Send. PayPal will email the invoice to your client and they can pay directly using PayPal credit or debit card, even if they don't have a PayPal account. After sending, you will be brought back to your invoice dashboard where you can see the status, whether it is sent, paid, or overdue. You can also resend it or send a reminder with just one click if needed. If you're using a personal PayPal account, the process is still possible but looks a little different. You will go to Send and Request at the top, then find and click Send an Invoice. The layout is simpler and doesn't include features like branding with your logo or a full dashboard to manage all your invoices. So if you're working with clients regularly, upgrading to a business account is free and gives you a lot more flexibility. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can create and send professional invoices with PayPal. Quick, easy, and all in one place. I hope this guide helped you feel more confident using PayPal to manage your billing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or check PayPal's Help Center for more details. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing!